Aloha, this is David Buck with Harcourt's Island Real Estate. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my new listing at 5864 Kalanianaole Highway with incredible ocean views. This is in Kuliouou. And to put this in perspective, this is just east of Nia Valley at the very start of Kuliouou, and it's going to be right across Paiko Drive on Kalanianaole Highway. And as you cross the street, you head down Paiko Drive, there's going to be a direct beach access here. And I just want to point this out. This is a vacant lot that's on the ocean, but it's going for $2,450,000. Here we are on the beach off of Paiko Drive. You've got Portlock and Hawaii Kai behind me. Surf breaks out at Paiko, straight out here. And then heading west, you've got Niuiki Circle and views towards Diamond Head. What a great spot here on the beach. This is a Sunday and there's no one here. As we cross back over the road, I want to give you a perspective of the house. It's got 3 levels with over 3,000 square feet of living area, 4 covered parking stalls. And what you'll see here for perspective is already on this level, you're going to have beautiful ocean views right across the street. And there's a bit of a south swell today, so this is me checking the surf at China Walls off of Portlock. And it's just firing today. And as we leave that ocean view, we're going to come in through the front door right off the carport. And here we have a bonus living area, which I can't show in the video today. We also got some nice storage right here underneath the stairs. And now we're going to make our way up the stairs to the main living area. So in addition to the studio with a full bathroom downstairs, this is going to have 4 additional bedrooms and 4 additional bathrooms as we head up here. But what you'll immediately notice as we come up the stairs, not only do you have luxury vinyl plank flooring, but you're just going to take in these ocean views that stretch from Hawaii Kai off to the left out towards Paiko's, and then just you have this beautiful green foliage off to the right. And here we are in the great room that's got nice ceiling fans, nice open concept. And then as we make our way into the kitchen, you can see there's a pass-through here. This home, by the way, was built in 1988 by Marshall Rosa, who's a very reputable contractor. He's since retired to Molokai. As you see, there's a washer dryer in the kitchen here. Yeah, and a little bit about Marshall. He's built several homes for our family in East Honolulu. One was the home where I was a kid in Wailaiki, and the other was in Ainahaina. So once again, taking in these incredible ocean views from the main living area, just 1 level up off the driveway. And once again, checking the surf out here at Paiko's. It's a beautiful south swell today, and just gives you a perspective of the location and how convenient it is to have Costco and dining and all kinds of shops towards Hawaii Kai. Heading east on Kalanianaole Highway. However, you can do a right hook heading out of the driveway, and then you could head towards the main part of Honolulu. But here's a perspective of the stairway to the kitchen off the side, and you got also a bonus side deck with ocean views. And now's a perspective of full bathroom on the main level. Now as we head up to the 3rd floor, I'll give you a perspective. We have 3 full bedrooms and 2 bathrooms up here, but once again, you'll notice ocean views from almost every room in the house. Here we are, once again, looking out towards Portlock and the ocean off Paiko Drive. And this room, as you'll see, has got a nice closet. Now we'll head into what's considered the primary suite. There is a full closet here off to the left. Beautiful new Mitsubishi Mr. Slim air conditioning in this room. You also have a private deck and balcony to take in these views, but once again, these views just never get old. And this one, like I said, it's be considered a primary. Once again, split system and ceiling fan, and this is going to have an ensuite bathroom with dual vanity sinks and shower and tub. Now as we walk down the hall, this is going to be bathroom number 2. Also have a tub shower set up here and a linen closet here off to the left. Nice track lighting, beautiful clean surfaces. And now we go to bedroom number 3 upstairs, also new split system air. And this will give you a perspective. If you were to put your bed up against the back of the room, you could still get ocean views from this bedroom as well. That sits on the back side of the house. If you don't want to run the AC, you got jalousie windows for nice cross ventilation with the trade winds. But it's always nice to know you have air conditioning for those hot summer days. Now, as we come back down the hall, this will once again give you a perspective of just about seeing ocean from every window and room in the house. And with this open staircase, you can literally listen for someone to yell that the food's ready downstairs in the kitchen, like, time to eat. Just kidding. Once again, we got a little squall coming through. The view is constantly changing out here. Waves are firing at Paiko's. Check out that right off the reef. This has got to be one of the best places to check the surf from. Perhaps this could be the new Surfline South Honolulu headquarters. But in any event, let's head into the fourth bedroom and bathroom. As you see, there's another kitchen wet bar set up here. You also have another private deck with views out towards Portlock and Hawaii Kai. And for perspective, there is a door here off the side, which is actually can function as a separate entrance off the driveway for guests to come through. Now, as we come back in, this has also got split air conditioning in here. There's going to be a full bathroom with a nice granite countertop, full shower, jalousie windows for ventilation. Got your oven here, and we're gonna head upstairs because this is gonna be, oh, before we do that, let me show you this bonus area underneath the stairway for storage. Now, as we walk back out here, I'll give you another perspective. I'm gonna show you something here in a second, but let's take a peek out the door here to give you another perspective of that side entrance. If you did wanna kind of lock off this area for a guest or what have you. Once again, beautiful views of the private deck and ocean out towards Portlock. Nice greenery here off the east side of the property. And as we come back inside, this is a bonus space that's not considered on that over 3,000 square feet of living area. This is a loft space that we're calling bedroom number 5. It's obviously an added bonus. You got these jalousie windows. As you could imagine, you get great cross ventilation through here. But if you didn't want to rely on the trade winds that are pretty consistent throughout the year, this upstairs room has got also a split AC unit. And what you'll see on the ceiling here above is there is a solar attic fan, which basically the air is not on today. The windows are closed. It's middle of the day, Sunday in June, and it's not even warm up here. To learn more about this beautiful home at 5864 Kalanianaole Highway in Kuliouou, Unit B. My name is David Buck with Harcourt's Island Real Estate. It can be reached at 808-371-3509. Aloha.